Have you been eyeing Testerup as a way to earn some cash, but you're unsure if it's legit? You're not alone. Many users swear by it, but others claim it's not all sunshine and dollar signs. In today's video, we're diving deep to see if Testerup truly pays or if there's a catch. Testerup boasts an impressive 4.3 rating on Trustpilot, backed by over 10,000 reviews. Sounds great, right? But hold on. What if I told you these positive vibes might be covering up a few dark secrets? First off, yes, people are genuinely enjoying Testerup. Many reviews say the games are really fun, often addictive, with challenges that keep you engaged. You might start thinking, this is my golden ticket, but here's where things get tricky. Imagine you're in the middle of a level, just about to complete that task, and then, bam, another ad pops up. And not just one. Testerup is notorious for its ad bombardments. One user put it bluntly, saying it's like sitting through a mini-movie marathon of ads just to get through one game. Now that's a test of patience. Does that sound like the gaming experience you had in mind? And it's not just about patience here. For some tasks, users find themselves almost needing to spend real money to progress. That's right, you might have to pay up in order to cash out. Not exactly what most people think when they sign up for a side hustle, right? Here's the harsh truth. For certain games on Testerup, challenges are set so high that unless you're willing to invest your own cash, you might not even get to the payout stage. And let's be honest, how many of us want to pay to earn money? But that's not to say Testerup is entirely useless. It's got some dedicated users, those who don't mind the ads and are up for a challenge. And yes, the potential for a payout is there, but it's a slow grind. One user humorously wrote, "If you're patient enough to sit through all the ads, you might just get there, eventually." The Testerup domain was first registered in 2022, and despite some popularity, it still has relatively low traffic. Our voice search showed the domain is registered in Germany under a company named Estimium GmbH. Next, we headed over to Scam Advisor, which flagged no immediate issues. However, it's worth noting that positive reviews on platforms like this can sometimes be incentivized or even paid for. And when we dug a little deeper on Reddit, we found some real user experiences. Several users mentioned glitches that prevented them from earning, with one even saying that after a month-long break they returned to find their balance wiped out. So keep that in mind if you're considering giving Testerup a try. So, is Testerup legit? Technically, yes, it's a legit app. But whether it's worth your time depends on your tolerance for ads and challenging tasks. Think of it like this. Testerup is a game within a game. If you're willing to invest time and maybe even some money, it can pay off. But if you're here for easy cash, you may want to think twice. If you're still curious and want more insights on similar apps, check out my video on Data Annotation Tech is Scam. Thanks for watching and good luck out there.